is clean group represented as K4. Okay. So basically K4 is nothing just a group of order 4 which has the property like consists of element AB such that A square, B square, C square is identity and AB equals to BA. Basically this C is AB. Okay. So here we need to understand like whether it's a group or not. So we can just prove it through Cayley's table. Like yes, if the elements are of the form like E A B C, E A B C, and I have made the Cayley's table like E multiplied to each like E A B C, then A to this again A, B to identity again B, C to A identity again C, and the elements are like A into A equals to E. A into B equals to C, A into C equals to B, and B into E equals to B, B into A equals to C, B into B equals to E, and B into C equals to A. Similar way, okay. The question arises like the properties of clean group, like whether it's abelian or cyclic, and it's isomorphic to which group, and the number of subgroups it has. Okay, so we'll talk about that. So firstly, we will be having like we have A square, B square, C square equals to identity. So what does it mean? Okay. So first to prove abelian, we need to check the self-inverse property. Self-inverse property like every element of the group has self-inverse. Okay, then the group is called as abelian, right? So we will check it. Like we have given A square equals to E in the definition of the group. A square equals to E implies what? A equals to self-inverse, right? Because if we are having like A equals to A inverse, that A into A inverse will be identity by the definition of inverse. And we have A inverse equals to A, then we can put A inverse equals to A, then A into A equals to identity, that is A square equals to E. Okay. Similarly for B, B square equals to E implies B equals to B inverse. No. And for C, like C, I have already told you that C equals to AB. And we will check like it has self inverse or not. Okay. So we know that we need to prove that AB inverse equals to AB. So consider like AB inverse. AB inverse is generally equals to B inverse A inverse. But we have B inverse equals to B. So I put the value of B inverse equals to B. Then A inverse equals to A. Then A inverse equals to A. And BA is again equals to AB by definition of the group. This AB equals to BA. Okay. So I have got AB inverse equals to AB. So in the case of K4 group, like A, B, C, all the three elements has its own self-inverse basically. Then this group is abelian. Okay. Second, we have to check cyclic or not. So for checking cyclic, we need to check like whether there is an element whose order equals to order of group or not. Right. And we are very clear like order of clean group is 4, and we need to check whether there is an element of order 4 or not. But we have already checked out like order of A, order of B, order of C, or R2. Basically, order is what? The power which gives identity, and we have in the definition clearly like A square, B square, C square equals to identity. So order of A, B, C is what? 2. Yes. So we got order of G equals to 4, and there is no element of order 4. That is why this group is non-cyclic. Okay. If in any case it has order of 4, then we can say that it is cyclic, but unfortunately it doesn't have any element of order 4. That is why it is non-cyclic. Okay. Till now we got like what is K4 group, right? What is K4 group, Cayley's table, and whether it's abelian or not. Then we talk about cyclic or not, right? Next we will talk about the subgroups of clean group. Okay. So we know that order of subgroup divides order of group, right? And since order of group is 4, yes, so the possible subgroups can be what? Like identity, identity with A, identity with B, identity with C, right? And K4 itself. So basically when you talk about subgroups, there is a term like trivial and non-trivial. Okay. The trivial are the basic subgroups which can be possible for every group, like identity and the group itself. Okay. Identity and the group itself. And non-trivial are the other subgroups possible. So we have 4 subgroups for clean group. Now we know that K4 is abelian. Okay. Then we know that if a group is abelian, then every subgroup is normal. Okay. Why it is normal? Like basically simple. It's like abelian hai to AB equals to, okay, AB equals to BA for all A comma B, and if AB equals to B, then obviously this normality condition also holds, right? So we got subgroups of clean group. Next we have K4 is isomorphic to what? Okay, so K4 has a order 4 and it is abelian but not cyclic. So we can think of a group whose order is again 4 as well as abelian and non-cyclic. So the group is Z2 cross Z2. Clearly this group Z2 cross Z2 order is 2 into 2 equals to 4. Yes. but the like we need to check for cyclic, we need to check like there is an element of order 4 or not. But in Z2 cross Z2, for having order 4, we must have LCM as 4, but 2 cross 2 will never give LCM as 4. Okay, maximum order possible in this group of an element is 2. Okay, K4 is isomorphic to Z2 cross Z2. So we talked about like what is clean group, Curie stable, whether it's abelian or not. Next we like cyclic or not. Then the subgroups. Okay, subgroups, and then we talk about whether the subgroups are normal or not. Then K4 is isomorphic to which group. Okay, this is all about K4 group in group theory.